Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to Wipro NTH 2022 when results declared and expected cutoff. So in this video we discuss about all the points that you can see on my screen, that previous year cutoff, coding cutoff, when result, aptitude cutoff, essay cutoff, all points are discussed in today's video. So let's start the video. So I just make a notepad for all of you that we are discussing on two of the points in today's video. First is results, when results, and the cutoff. Okay, so first of all we just talking about the cutoff point. As you can see that in the previous video I mentioned that is there any sectional cutoff in Wipro Elite NTH or Wipro nlth. Okay, so Wipro has not revealed information regarding sectional cutoff. However, one needs to perform equally well in all the section of test to make it to the interview round. Okay, so this point is very important. If you perform very well in all of the sections, like if you perform equally in all of the sections, like in English, logical, quantitative, programming, and essay writing, so this will be very good in order to crack the exam. Okay, so according to the previous trends, you need to perform equally in all section in order to crack the test. But if I talk about, I just take the expected cutoff points using the previous year. Tough section has less cutoff, easy section have more cutoff. Okay, so there is very important point. This is just previous trend points, depends on Wipro team also. So if I talk English comprehension, so out of 18 questions, 65 to 75% is cutoff, because so many candidates say that English logical ability is very simple to solve and there is no hard questions in there. But in quantitative ability, this time there are some advanced questions. Okay, or in the if I talk means I just talk to some of the candidates that they cleared the previous year examination. They say that if you done the some questions, or if you done some moderate level in the aptitude section, means if you done the 14 to 15 questions correct in each section, or 12 to 14 questions, or 14 to 15 question in each sections like English, logical, and quantitative, so the aptitude part is more strong. If I talk about the programming section, if you done the one coding with all the test cases, so there is chances. And if you done the two coding questions with all the test cases, so there are more chances of selection. But you need to equally perform in the aptitude sections also, because that matter they just check the programming ability as well as the aptitude ability. Okay, so if I talk about the essay writing, so they just check the spelling error and grammatical mistakes, and not all other the points. You just write the essay. There is no particular sectional, there is no particular other cutoff in the essay section. You have to just clarify all the points that are mentioned in your essay. Okay, so these all are trends on the previous pattern or the previous cutoff. Okay, some of the candidates also say that if you solve the questions in logical ability, like 9 to 10 questions or 10 to 11 questions in the logical ability, so the 60 to 70% is the cutoff. If I talk about quantitative ability, so there is a advanced, so this time I like this time cutoff will be decreased, I think. Okay, because some of the questions are tough in the quantitative ability. If some of the questions are not tough in the quantitative ability, so they will choose the previous trend as a less cutoff. Okay, so this is just related to all the sections. But before moving on to the results point, there is a very good platform that you can get your dream job in 15 days, and there are 3 type of tests, and name as Relevel by Unacademy: business development, front end, back end development. In business development, this type of profile will be shared with you is if you clear that, like what is the Relevel score, and what are the Relevel score that you can see, or that you can see on this screen. Okay, what are your skills area, knowledge, projects and work, total work experience, backend development, front end development. There are so many MNCs that they provide the higher packages. Okay, you can shine with your Relevel profile, and work with India's finest company. There are all the links in the description, you can check that. Okay, so when we talk about the Wipro Elite cutoff, as you can see that on the Quora, as I got selected for Wipro Elite, I found that I have attempted both the coding problem, as I was able to pass all the test cases. If I talk about quant and other section, then I completed everything so well in quant, logical and verbal section. So completed almost 90 questions with the accuracy. So I will conclude as the cutoff might have been had between 75 to 80%. Okay, so this will also depends on Wipro team, and some of the candidates I just talked to them that they say that if you done equally in all of the section, if you done equally well in all of the section, so it will be able to clear the test. Okay, so after that there is second point that is related when result. Previous year 1 month will be assigned for result, mean after 1 month result will be declared for Wipro NLTH due to COVID-19, but this time I just take 20 to 25 days is approx for the results, and you will get the shortlisted mail from Wipro team after further process during the HR interview, means related to HR or technical interview. So we have to just wait for 20 to 25 days approx. So this will be also depend on Wipro team. And one important point, so many candidates say that we have not captured the ID card in the time of examination, means there is a blur in that ID card, or the ID card is not proper captured. So I just send the mail to Wipro team. We have to wait for their response, what they say that, but literally I just say that this is the no sign of rejection, but it's totally depend on Wipro team. We have to wait for their mail. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any another doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. If you find good content, please like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.